Vinudhi Wahalathanthri, and I'm here with my 49th video from the Asia Web Project Development Series. So in this video, we'll be talking about the design of our selling history page. So let's begin. So this is the design of my selling history page. Why do we use a selling history page? So for example, let's think you're an admin. So using this page, you can inform or confirm your customer whether her or her product is being delivered or shipping. So this is why we use the selling history page. So let's see what I have done to create this design. So from top, you can see that I have added my heading as selling history. I have given a light background for it, and the text is blue in color and it's huge. Next, I have given another section. So it's a row, and from this section, I can search a product by the invoice ID, and I can also search a product from date, and I can also search a product from the date to date. And then I can find it using this button I have made over here. So next, I have created a table. So this table is not created in the table format. It is created using divs. So I have given a section for the invoice ID, the product, the buyer, the amount, the quantity, and the options such as delivered, shipping, confirm order, and all. So this is the design of it. So next, y'all can see that I have added the pagination as well. Okay, so this is the design of my selling history page. Y'all can also see that I have given a linear background or linear gradient background from behind. Let's move on to see the backend codes I have given to create this design. So these are the codes I have given to create this design. So I have done the programming part as well, but don't worry because we'll be only talking about the design in this video. So let's begin. So from top, y'all can see that I have given my HTML version tag, and then I have given my HTML tag to indicate that these codes are typed or coded in HTML. Next, I have added my header container over here with all its header elements, and next my body. So let's see what I have done in my body section. So for my body, I have given a style as a background color. So this is the main background color. It's a hash code. I have also given a background image with a linear gradient. So these are the colors I have given to create this gradient color. Next, I have created this design inside two main divs, the container fluid and the row. Let's see what I have done in the first div. Firstly, I have given a div to add my heading, selling history. So for the div, I have given classes such as call12, BG Lite, and a text center. Next, I have added my label. I have given classes for it such as label, text primary, and a font weight as bold, and a font size as 1. Next, let's see what I have done in my second div. I have given a call12, a BG Lite, and a margin top 3 as well as a margin bottom 3. Next, I have given a row. So inside this div, I have given my search by invoice ID text field. So using this, I can search a product using its invoice ID. So I have given classes for it such as call12, call3, MT3, as well as a MB3. For the label, I have given a form label and an FS5. Next, for the input text field, I have given a form control and a FS5 or a font size 5. So over here, I have coded an empty div to keep a space. And next over here, I have coded my from date input text field. So it's not a text field, it's an input field where the type is equal to date. So using this, I can search a product from the date to the date. So I have coded the opposite or the same thing for the to date as well. Over here, I have given my find button. So for this button, I have given classes such as call 12, call large 1, MT3, MB3, as well as a dgrid. So for the button, I have given classes such as BT and BT primary, and a FS5 as well as a FW bold. So that is for my second row. Next, this is where I have coded my tables. So these are my table toppers or my table headings. So I have given a call 12 and a row. So this there is for my invoice ID. I have given a call 1, a BG secondary, and a text end. So for the labels, I have given classes such as form label, FS5, FW bold, and text white. So likewise, I have created product, buyer, amount, and the quantity. And then I have kept an empty bar over here. So for this, I have given BG secondary, and then a normal title, and again a BG secondary, and a normal one, and a BG secondary. So I have gone in a pattern. Next, let's see what I have done. Okay, so this is the view area of mine. So firstly, over here, I have coded my row. Inside this row, I have added my product ID. So I have also coded my programming parts as well, but don't worry because this video is only about the design. So next over here, I have added my product's title. So for example, let's think the product ID is 1 and the title is iPhone 12. And next we have our user's F name. So let's take as Vinudhi. And next over here we have our selected data total. So let's take it as our product total, like 1 lakh. And then over here we have our product's quantity, like purchase quantity. We can set it as about 2. Yes. So let's see what are the CSS I have given or classes I have given to create these sections. Yes, for the ID, I have given call 1, a BG secondary, and a text end. And for the label, I have given classes such as form label, FS5, FW bold, text white, MT1, and MB1. Okay, so likewise, I have given the same classes for it, but I'm in a pattern in secondary light. So it goes in a pattern. So next, over here, I have added my buttons. So these buttons check whether my product is dispatched, packing, or confirm order, shipping, or delivered. So I have also done the programming parts over here. So briefly, what it does is admin can click on it and say whether I have confirmed the order. So then a message goes for the purchaser or the customer as the product will be received or the order is confirmed. So then once the admin click packing, then customer will get that the product is packing. So I hope you all have seen those options like in Amazon, Daraz, and in Alibaba. So these options are there in it. So over here, I have coded my pagination. So this is the pagination part. So we have talked about this pagination part in my previous videos as well. So I have took this design from Bootstrap. And let me show y'all. Our results per page is equal to 10. So over here, I have given $number of pages as CL, invoice num, and results per page. So CL stands for rounded off to the nearest multiple. So that's all for this design. So I hope you understood what I explained. So I'll be back with the programming part of this selling history page. So stay tuned. Have a nice day and bye.